In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on MetaQuest Store. If your card expired, you switch banks, or you just prefer using PayPal, I'll walk you through updating your details in the MetaQuest mobile app. Follow along on your phone and you'll be done in a couple of minutes. Start by opening the MetaQuest app on your mobile device and head to the store section. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for purchases and that the app is up to date, since older versions may hide some options or label them differently. Next, tap the menu icon. On most phones, it looks like 3 lines or a profile tab at the bottom. This opens the main navigation where all your account and purchase settings live. From the menu, choose Wallet. This is where your saved cards, PayPal, and any store credit are managed. Give the page a second to load. It pulls your current payment details from Meta's servers. Inside Wallet, tap Add Payment Methods. This is your starting point for adding a new way to pay before you remove the old one, so you don't interrupt future purchases. Under MetaPay, select Add a Payment Method, then pick either credit or debit card or PayPal. Availability can vary by region and currency, so choose what works for you. For cards, be sure the name and billing address match what your bank has on file to avoid declines. Enter the required details and confirm by tapping Add. For a card, that usually means the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Some banks may prompt you to verify with a text code or your banking app. Just follow the on-screen prompts. For PayPal, you'll be redirected to sign in and grant permission, then return to the wallet screen once it's linked. With your new method saved, you can clean up the old one. Find your previous payment method, tap the 3 dots next to it, and choose Remove. If you have active subscriptions, removing an old method won't cancel them, but future charges will use the payment method you just added. That's it. You've added a new way to pay and removed the outdated one, all from the MetaQuest store on your phone. If something doesn't appear right away, close and reopen the app to refresh. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next VR purchase with your updated payment method.